How's it going, everyone? This is Brennan from BOH Hosting, and today I'm making a video to show you how to create email accounts, FTP accounts, and all sorts of things on that type of topic. So here I'm under my main panel where I can see all my packages, services, and all that good stuff. I'm just going to go over here and click on services and let that page load. Click on my package. And then here I'm brought to a overview and some shortcuts and all that type of thing. I'm going to log into the main cPanel page. Give it a second. Okay, so here I'm on the main cPanel page. Setting up emails and FTP accounts are pretty simple, but can be a little tricky if you're not sure what you're looking for. So what you're going to do is scroll down, find email accounts. You're going to go here and click create. And here you're able to fill out whatever username you want, password, and then down here you're able to set the amount of storage you want this email account to host. So I guess a better way to put that is if you're wanting to be able to store 250 megabytes worth of emails on this one account, this is where you'd set that. It's not a universal thing that you're setting for every email. That's how you set up emails. When you're setting it up, there's another page where you can have the instructions emailed to you. And when those instructions are emailed to you, it also comes with a config file that works on Windows, Mac, and even on your iPhone, to where if you click on that config file, it'll automatically set up your email for you, and all you need to enter is your email password, so make sure to write that down somewhere or remember it. Okay, so for FTP accounts, whoops, I accidentally exited out of there, but I'm going to go back to the cPanel page, let that load, and then click on FTP accounts. Now your account comes with a default FTP account which you're able to access down here, and similar to that email config file, there's one for a FTP client. You can click on here and it'll even tell you, which config file you need. But here, this shows you your FTP default account and its information. You're able to go in and change its password. But say you're wanting to create one for another user or just someone else who's helping you out on the site, this is where you're going to be able to do that. Usually you can set, your current email, or you can even just make up a fake email that's not even relevant. So if I had, one email called Brennan@MaroonFog, and I wanted to make an FTP account that's not related to an email, I could do that here, and it would totally work. You're going to specify your passwords, and then down here is your directory. If you're wanting them to be able to access everything, you're just going to leave this completely blank. If you're wanting to set up a folder specific for that FTP user, you're just going to create a folder, and then they will only have access to that folder. Same principle as the email goes. If you want them to only be able to upload 2 gigabytes worth, or say even 1 gigabytes worth, you can set that there. Or if you want them to have full range, you can just click unlimited. Thanks for watching. This has been a tutorial on how to create FTP accounts and email accounts with the cPanel platform. Make sure to use BOHYT when checking out to get 50% off for life on your hosting packages. Thanks.